Hello and welcome to this physics video, Simple Harmonic Motion U08.SHM4. And today we will be calculating displacement, velocity, and acceleration for systems experiencing simple harmonic motion. So the equation that we're going to use for these problems that encompasses all displacement, velocity, and acceleration is the final velocity squared equals the initial velocity squared plus 2 times the acceleration times the change in displacement. So now that we know that, let's try out a problem. A system experiencing simple harmonic motion travels a distance of 7 meters at a rate of 6 meters per second. The acceleration is 9.1, which is just the free fall acceleration. What is the acceleration of gravity, I should say. What is the final velocity? So let's bring down the equation. And then we're just going to plug in what values we have. The initial velocity we said was 6 meters per second squared plus 2 times the acceleration, which is the acceleration of gravity, 9.81, and the distance that was traveled here is 7 meters. And now I just need to put this into my calculator. Alright, that looks good. We get 173.34. Okay, let's see. Now I just need to take the square root of that number to get the final velocity. And we get 13.17 for our final velocity. I'll put that right here. Alright. Number 2, a system experiencing simple harmonic motion starts from rest and ends with a velocity of 8 meters per second. The displacement is 4 meters. What is the acceleration of this system? So what's important about this one is how I just mentioned how it starts from rest. That means that this right here, the initial velocity, we can consider that as 0. We can cross that right out and go on with our day. So this is what we get when we cross that out. So we know that the ending or the final velocity is 8 meters per second, and then we have 2. We know that the displacement is 4, but we don't know the acceleration. So we have the final velocity of 8 meters per second equals 8x. X being, or I'll write that as A being the acceleration, and what else could it be besides 1? The acceleration for this system experiencing simple harmonic motion is 1 meters per second squared, meters squared per second. And so there you go, that's how you do it. That is how you find the displacement, velocity, and acceleration for systems experiencing simple harmonic motion. Thank you for listening, and I hope you enjoyed the video.